Got this little shit barking at me on my property. I don't know whose dog it is. There's another one with her. I don't know where the other one went. There's the other one. What are you guys doing here? Oh, you like me now? Well, just had to show you guys these dogs. I don't even know where they came from. Live here out here in the country, but well, y'all never know what I'm gonna post on here. Thank you for watching. Hit that like and subscribe, be much appreciated. One a little one. You guys got name tags on? Oh, I'm gonna find if I got any name tags. Talk to you guys later.